There's literally vats of alcohol for as long as we can see. It looks like an infinity mirror out here.
We are about an hour and a half out of the main city center in Sichuan, heading to this Baijiu factory that is one of the oldest Baijiu factories in China. Baijiu is the most consumed liquor in all of the world, really, probably just due to sheer force of population.
And it's sort of like, it's the whiskey of China, to sort of put it into context. It's a very high-proof alcohol.
Baijiu is a distilled alcohol that is always made with grains.
Now, the types of grains that are used vary across the country.
At this factory, they use 5 grains:
Rice,
sorghum,
corn,
millet,
and glutinous rice.
The ingredients are from northern China and stored in these things from the United States.
The key to making baijiu is the starter culture known as Chui,
which is added to the pile of steamed grains,
and then fermented in an ancient pit.
Wait. We need to explain what an ancient pit is.
Oh, right. So some of the pits here are 1,500 years old. They're never cleaned out, and this is important for keeping a constant culture of bacteria going.
And that constant culture of bacteria is what gives the baijiu here its distinctive flavor.
The grains are steamed.
The liquor is separated through this distillation process
and is then aged in terracotta clay pots for years
before it's blended and diluted.
The baijiu is then packaged on massive assembly lines,
which can process 18,000 bottles per hour.
And you end up with a spicy but clear spirit with a slightly sweet aftertaste.